Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub, your guide to smarter kitchen shopping. Looking for a durable, space-saving mixing bowl set that makes cooking, baking, and food storage easier? Today, we're reviewing the 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids. This versatile kitchen set includes multiple stainless steel bowls, airtight lids, grater attachments, measuring tools, and useful accessories designed for everyday cooking and baking. Made from premium stainless steel, these bowls are lightweight, rust-resistant, durable, and perfect for daily use in any kitchen. The airtight lids help keep food fresh for longer, making these bowls ideal for meal prep, leftovers, marinating, and ingredient storage. When not in use, the bowls nest inside each other to save valuable cabinet space and keep your kitchen organized. One of the most practical features is the interchangeable grater attachments. They allow you to grate cheese or vegetables directly into the bowl, reducing mess and saving preparation time. Thanks for watching Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Like, subscribe, and find today's Amazon link and full review in the description. See you next time.